जय श्रीमन्नारायण 253rd नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Siddharthaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you have the entire creation under your control, under your custody. O Srimannarayana, I realize that there is nothing that you have to try and bring them under your control, because everything is within your access and within your control and within your custody. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Siddharthaya Namaha. Om Siddharthaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is sharing his bad dream with his friend, saying that, "Oh my dear friend, I have seen my father sitting on an iron table, iron pedestal. Also, I have seen my father wearing black cloths. It is so bad dream. Oh my dear friend, also I have seen there are so many ladies who are also in black color. They are all laughing at my father. Oh my dear friend, my father wearing red garlands and applied all kind of chandanam sandal on his body, and now he got into a chariot. That chariot is driven by not horses but by donkeys. Donkeys are driving that chariot. That chariot is going towards south. In that chariot my father is there. That kind of dream I have seen. Not only that, my dear friend, there is a big giant like lady, Rakshasi, and she is also very black, and she is just dragging my father towards south and also laughing loudly and dreadfully. This kind of very dreadful dream I had last night, my dear friend. That is why I am totally getting shaken. I am unable to bring my mind stable. Nasvastham iva me manaha. My mind is so restless now. Sushyati vacha me kanto. My throat is getting dried. Oh my dear friend, somehow I am not even able to understand myself. I am getting disgusted about myself. I don't know why. Why this kind of thoughts are coming into my mind. My dear friend, I realize that it is very common if we think about few things and if we discuss few things before we go to sleep, then those things comes into our dream. That is very common. But this is so uncommon. I never, the things that I have seen in my dream are even out of anyone's imagination. Those kind of scenes I have seen in my dream. That is why I am unable to control myself, and my sixth sense is saying there is something going to be happening to my father. That is why I am getting scared. Like this, Bharata, just about to finish sharing his dream with his friend, by then, exactly at that time, those messengers came into that town. And news went to the king Kekaya Raju. Then Kekaya, the king, and also his son Yudhajit, both of them have gone to receive and welcome those messengers. By then Bharata also went over there. Those messengers were welcomed by Kekaya, the king. Those messengers did namaskaram to the king and then turned towards Bharata and started saying like this to Bharata. What are they saying to Bharata? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. While thinking that our Hanumanji also joining us in singing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Also while thinking that while we are doing this singing, Paramasiva feeling so happy. With all this kind of thought process, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 27th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asankhyeyaha Aprameyatma Visishtaha Sishtakruchuchihi Siddhardhaha Siddhasankalpaha Siddhidaha Siddhi Sadhanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana. To bring all the planets in favor to us, to get blessings from all the devatas, to get Asirvadam from all acharyas, gurus, samardha gurus, we have only one option. That is, we have only one chance. That is to be participating with bhavana in our Kali Yuga Daivam Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Venkateswara Swami Brahmotsavas. From 15th of this month to 26th of this month, every day according to Bharat timings, 7 a.m. If you just go to Gattus Karishye Vachanantava YouTube, there will be live. We all will join, spend 5 to 10 minutes and chant our Narayanastra slokas. With that, such a huge amount of Sri Ramayanam, so many number of times of complete Bhagavad Gita chanting, so many number of timings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Parayanam will be offered to Sri Venkateswara Swami. With that, Venkateswara Swami will be extremely happy with our participation. So those who does not have Narayanastram requested to go to narayanastram.org and register and get your slokas and consult any Vadiyar and any priest or any Archakas and get your slokas ready. If you don't have that much time, you can definitely contact me through WhatsApp. I will send you recordings. With that, let us all participate with our bhavana in Kali Yuga Daivam Sri Venkateswara Swami. Brahmotsavas. All other locations of entire world must match only with Bharat timings and fix their timings, and we all will be joining at once and chant our Ramayana, Gita, Vishnu Sahasranamas at a time, so that the entire world will be vibrated with all divine vibrations, and all the devatas and Sri Venkateswara Swami will be extremely happy. This is going to be the historical event, and let us make it as our own milestone in our lifetime. Om Siddharthaya Namaha. Om Siddharthaya Namaha. Om Siddharthaya Namaha.